That was so cool! No! There we go! There you go. Alright guys. It is, I believe, like 5:30 out. 5:31. And got a spook on. I hit some topwater, just snuck out of the camper. A bunch of fish popping out here in the middle. As usually I see a bunch of bass piled up here. So I'm gonna cast out there and stay back. Oh, there was one right there. There you go. Let's get right back there. I hit the kayak. Yeah, your mouth this time, buddy. You got it. There we go. Got it, son. There we go. There's just a little guy. Honestly, not even that little. For Kentucky, he's little. But not for Illinois. But yeah. Okay, I'm spook. Try not to get too close to the water. Stupid anthill. Goodness. There you go. That's the cast. Oh, nice and strong. Oh. Come on, come back, buddy. Oh, he wants it. Here he comes. One's coming for it. There we go. Oh. Get up here, little guy. He came zooming for that one off the bank. He got all three trail hooks in him on the top lip. Nope, just two. Okay. Okay. Look, I have to get right back out there. Oh, we've got one coming this way. Slow down for him. Saw a wake over to the left and about 15 feet away. About where I broke off yesterday too. Maybe it's the same one, maybe it's not. Maybe I can get my Texas rig back with a bandito bug. That'd be amazing. There you go. There's one. Oh, I missed him. Here's a little one here. They just can't get the hooks in their mouth. They come up and blow up on it. That was so cool. I don't know if you guys saw that, but he jumped so far in the water for it. Give me this here. Oh, there we go. Got it. Golly, he got dense. Biggest one of the trip, I think. This is. Oh, he's a. Holy. He's got a bucket mouth. There you go. Nice guy, dude. Wow. There's like a 3-pounder. He goes. Let's see how shallow we can get one. Real shallow here. About as shallow as you can get without hitting a rock. That was cool. I watched something off the bank for that one. Stop jumping. Stay down, stay down, stay down, and you're up. Okay. There we go. There it goes. Let's take another cast up there. See if there's another one that's there. That guy was aggressive. Whoa, in the tree. Right where that was a spot I didn't fish. Oh. Alright guys, I think that's gonna do it for today. That was good fishing. This morning I had some good topwater bites on the spook. Took the eye off. Yeah, had some good bites. Just thank you all for watching. Smash that like and subscribe button. And yeah, subscribe for more.